Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto. Calm exchange, only way. Start by creating an account, enabling 2FA, and completing identity verification to unlock full features. Link a bank account or card, and review deposit limits before initiating transfers. Always double-check addresses and enable additional security like withdrawal whitelist to protect funds. Take small test deposits first so you can confirm everything works smoothly and avoid common mistakes. To buy crypto on crypto. Choose your trading pair and payment method, then decide between market or limit orders to control price exposure. If you prefer lower cost, use the exchange order books rather than instant buy and place limit orders when markets are volatile. Always confirm estimated fees, network fees, and final totals before submitting the order. Start with a modest amount to learn the flow and build confidence using the platform. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth because it simplifies investing mindset and money habits, which complements learning exchanges and risk management. It's an easy read that can change how you think about saving and investing and might pair nicely with your crypto journey. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your crypto starts with strong security habits. Enable 2FA, use a secure authenticator app, and consider a hardware wallet for long-term holdings. Set withdrawal whitelists and monitor account activity for unfamiliar logins or API keys. Keep recovery phrases offline in secure storage and never share them. If you trade actively, lower exchange exposure by withdrawing remains to cold storage when possible to minimize risk from hacks or phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.